A pet that never gets sick, never needs food, never makes a mess, can protect your family while you sleep, and might even save your life. It sounds like something from a science fiction movie. But around the world, engineers are already building robotic pets that can walk, learn, recognize faces, understand voices, and even respond to human emotions. These machines are becoming smarter every year. Some can follow you around the house, some can remember your habits, and some are being designed to help elderly people, children, and even those who cannot own traditional pets. But there is one thing these robots may never truly achieve. One missing piece that separates a machine from a living creature. And that single limitation could decide the future of robotic pets. Will they become the perfect companions inside every home? Or will humans always choose real animals? This is Future Next. Today, we'll explore how AI robotic pets could transform our homes, protect our families, improve our health, and discover whether they'll ever be able to replace the bond we share with real animals. People love dogs. People love cats. For thousands of years, animals have lived beside humans. They protect us. They comfort us. They become part of our families. So, why would anyone want a robotic replacement? The answer is more complicated than you might think. For millions of people, owning a real pet is difficult. Some people have allergies. Some live in apartments where animals are not allowed. Some travel constantly and cannot provide proper care. Others are elderly and want companionship, but cannot handle the responsibility of feeding, walking, and caring for an animal every day. A robotic pet could solve many of these problems. Imagine having a companion that never needs food, never gets sick, never requires expensive medical treatment, and can stay with you for years without the challenges of traditional pet ownership. But convenience is only the beginning. Because the biggest reason companies are developing robotic pets is not just companionship. It's something much more important: protection. Imagine coming home after a long day. Your robotic pet welcomes you at the door. But it isn't just waiting for attention. It has been watching over your home all day. It notices unusual movement. It detects smoke before the alarm activates. It recognizes strange sounds. It alerts you if something seems wrong. A future robotic pet could become a personal security system that follows you everywhere. But the possibilities go even further. Imagine an elderly person living alone. During the night, they suddenly fall. A robotic companion notices they are not moving. It immediately contacts family members. It unlocks the door for emergency responders. It provides important information before help arrives. A pet that doesn't just keep you company, but actually helps keep you alive. And this leads to an even bigger possibility. What if your robotic pet could understand your health? Not after something happens, but before. Imagine going to sleep peacefully, while your robotic companion quietly monitors your health. It tracks your breathing. It notices changes in your movement. It detects unusual behavior. Maybe it notices that you are sleeping differently, or that your voice sounds weaker than normal, or that your daily habits have changed. Small signals that humans might ignore, but artificial intelligence could recognize. One day, robotic pets could become personal health assistants. They could remind people to take medication, encourage exercise, monitor elderly family members, and alert doctors or loved ones when something appears wrong. Imagine a future where your pet doesn't just sit beside you. It actively helps you live longer. Sounds incredible. But the role of these robots may not stop with health, because once they become intelligent enough, they could completely change the way we live inside our homes. The robotic pet of the future may not simply walk around your house. It could become the smartest device you own. Forgot where you placed your keys? Your robot remembers. Need the lights turned off? It handles it. Want reminders? It knows your schedule. Need help teaching your child? It creates personalized lessons. Feeling lonely? It talks with you. For elderly people, robotic pets could provide daily interaction and emotional support. For children, they could become learning companions. For families, they could become another layer of safety and assistance. Slowly, the idea of a pet starts changing. It is no longer just an animal that lives in your home. It becomes a helper, a guardian, a companion, almost like a family member. But the smarter these robots become, the bigger questions we must answer, because every advantage comes with a cost. A robotic pet would know a lot about you. It would know where you live, your daily routine, when you wake up, when you leave home, who visits you, what you say, maybe even your health information. And that creates a serious question. Who controls all of this data? Could someone hack your robotic companion? Could someone use it to watch your private life? A device designed to protect you could potentially become a window into your personal world. Privacy may become one of the biggest challenges of the robotic pet revolution. But there is another question that goes even deeper. If robots become realistic enough, will people stop choosing real animals? Will future generations grow up with robotic pets instead of dogs and cats? Could technology replace something humans have loved for thousands of years? Technology will continue improving. Robotic pets will become smarter, more realistic, more responsive. And for many people, they could become incredible companions. They may help people who cannot own real pets. They may protect homes, support healthcare, and improve the lives of millions. But there is one thing technology still struggles to recreate: a genuine emotional connection. A robot can recognize when you are sad. It can respond with comforting words. It can simulate affection. But a real animal creates a bond through thousands of years of evolution. A dog does not care about you because it was programmed to. A cat does not stay beside you because an algorithm told it to. Animals create relationships that feel alive, and that difference may always matter. Perhaps the future is not about robots replacing animals. Maybe it's about robots existing alongside them. Robotic pets could help people who cannot care for real animals. They could protect our homes, assist our health, and provide companionship when humans need it most. But at the same time, they may remind us why living creatures are so special. Because sometimes the most valuable thing about a pet is not what it can do for us. It's the fact that it is alive. So here's the question. If AI robotic pets became available tomorrow, would you choose one? Or would you always prefer a real animal? Comment your answer below. And subscribe to Future Next, because the future is arriving faster than most people realize.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. And if you have a futuristic idea you'd like us to explore, leave it in the comments. Our next video could be about your idea. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.